Hi guys, this is Ivana and I'll be talking about deforestation today. So, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the decrease in forest areas across the entire world that are lost for uses such as agricultural, croplands, urbanization, or mining activities. This has been accelerated by human activity since 1960. Deforestation has been negatively affecting natural ecosystems, biodiversity, and the climate. There are other reasons of deforestation, like for example, natural causes such as forest fires, the increase of human population. This causes more land to be destroyed. Like, for example, agriculture occupies 85% of deforestation because of the global demand for food, especially meat that forces millions of acres of forest to be cattle for soybean and palm oil. We've heard of palm oil problems a few weeks ago in the class of bio, and it was actually really interesting. Now we'll talk about the effects of deforestation. It affects on climate change. Each tree can absorb 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year, and across the world trees are being cut for human use. Each year, 15 billion of trees are lost. This may be completely gone in 100 years, and the effect causes climate change. This image here describes perfectly the planet. Because I think forests are lungs of the planet and they help the planet to clear the air. It also affects the humans, causing floods, and this is actually really scary to watch, but if we don't do something, this will be happening a lot. This is a really sad image here because I love animals. I don't like seeing this. So it also it affects the animals and loss of biodiversity. This causes threats of extinction. Another effect is the soil erosion. I didn't know this, but this means trees and their roots provide the soil with an anchor as well as shelter from the wind and rain. When forests are wiped out, the land becomes exposed, leaving it vulnerable to being washed or blown away by elements. Some of the main affected regions are Eastern Australia, the Amazon, one of the largest forests in the world, and the Atlantic forest, spanning parts of Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina. This is one of the richest rainforests in the world. Some solutions for a big problem. So, the first one is we can plant a tree, and you can become part of these efforts by volunteering to plant trees in Lake County Preserve. A few months ago, I planted a tree in memory of my loved one, and it was my dog. So it's a beautiful way to help the planet and also remember your loved one by growing a tree. Recycle paper and cardboard. We should recycle more stuff if we don't use it, and also buy recycled products. So try to buy for next semester your textbook or notebook made of recycled paper, and the environment will be very thankful. Don't buy products that contains palm oil. So avoid products that contain palm oil. Might not be easy because it could be disguised in many different forms in numerous beauty products and food. If you cannot drop some of your favorite products with palm oil entirely, like at least for an alternative that carries a sustainable palm oil certification. So yeah, always check the packages so you can see that it doesn't contain palm oil. Also, reduce meat consumption. If you choose to reduce the amount of meat you eat, you will lower the global demand for meat and help prevent further destruction of forests to make way for more livestock. So start slowly by replacing one portion of animal protein a week with a plant-based protein, like for example beans, and it's not that bad. Also, support fighting deforestation. This will take time and a lot of work, but in some regions we've seen that deforestation is slowly slowing down thanks to new policies, activists, business around the world, and mostly important societies also helping a lot. If we start by helping with something so small, or some of the examples I gave you guys, this will help a lot, and it could make a change, and it will help a lot. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.